Hi, my name is Carrie Dossman, and I had the opportunity to go through the Black Infant Program with all three of my kids. I remember when I found out that I got pregnant, and I was just so nervous because I was just thinking to myself, I don't know anything about being a mom. And even though I knew that I had my mom and my dad, to back me and to be there, I felt like I needed more support, women near me who kind of knew what I was about to go through and going through it. And so someone gave me a flyer about Black Infant Health, and it was just the best thing that had ever happened to me. I will never forget when the nurse and the community worker came to my house, and they were just natural, and they just made me feel comfortable. And here I am. I started with one child, and now I had three, and all three of my kids, I like to say, product of Black Infant Health babies. I learned so much with Black Infant Health. I felt like I remember going to the doctor, and it was kind of like, quick visits. You go in, you come out real quick. And when it was so many things that I wanted to understand, and I just found myself picking up the phone, calling my nurse at Black Infant Health, and she just taught me so much. I went through a class with Black Infant Health, and it was like an empowerment group, and it was just amazing to be in there with the moms and for us to just share with each other. Sometimes you feel like, it's just me going through this situation, and it was just amazing to just kind of see that, it's not just you going through what you're going through, and just sharing each other's stories. We just really empowered each other. And here I am, years later, I had the opportunity to work with Black Infant Health. I teach the MAID class, which is a mother's empowerment group, and I teach a prenatal class, and then I have a postpartum class. And we just teach like a lot of amazing things in both sessions, and I just enjoy the moms as they come each week. And sometimes I feel like they come and they're thinking that, oh, she's here to help me, but they help me so much just from sharing their story. And I also had the opportunity to go through an exercise class called Be Well. And, I have to admit, I haven't always been the healthiest eater. And I just learned so much in that program as far as, just how to eat, and even things that I incorporated in my home to help, with my kids and my husband. So I just feel like, a program like this, needs to be around forever and ever. And I just can't thank BIH enough for just the support that they gave to me, because I needed it, and I just appreciate them so much.